Hey guys, what's going on? Immediate Vlogger here. So today is my time to do installing on this 4 iPhone. iOS 15.7.2 is out, and so without further ado, let's get started. So in front of my camera, as you can see, I have a 4 iPhone device, which is the iPhone SE 2016, iPhone 6s, another 6s, and the iPhone 7. So let's begin. As you can see, different model, different size of MB. So example is like my iPhone 7, it takes about 215.8 MB, while my 6s both is 237.4 MB, and the SE takes about 227.9 MB. So it's different. Now let's download and install on this 4 device. Now it's preparing update on this 4 device. Still loading. But my 6S 16GB is almost finished for the preparing update loadings, you can see. And now install now button has been appear. It's really fast compared to these 3 device. Actually, this 4 device is running the same Wi-Fi connected. Finally, for my iPhone 7 and the iPhone 6s has been finished for the loading update, while for my iPhone SE still in preparing update loading. Not sure why it takes too long. Alright, so finally this 4 device has been finished, everything. Now let's install. Finally, so this 4 device has been reached the hello screen. Software update complete to the iOS 15.7.2 official. Open. So, 15.7.2, 15.7.2, 15.7.2, 15.7.2. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this installing on this 4 device, and also iOS 15.7.2 is out in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.